Let's go through LeetCode 941 valid mountain array. For this question, it gives us a integer array. The valid it is a mountain array. So for the mountain array, that is, it has three conditions. The length should greater or equal to 3. And also, we need to find for there is two parts. The first part should be consecutively strictly increasing, and the second part that will be uh, strictly decreasing. Um, so we should find this is kind of I. So let's look at this one. You'll see 3, 5, and 5, 5. You'll see this is equal. Yeah, if there is any consecutive equal, then that will return false, right? So what we're thinking about is that we search from the left to find the last index, which is consecutively increasing, and search from the right and find the last consecutive increasing, which is here, right? So we um, have the left index and the right index, right? So we need to have the left index does not equal to 0, right index does not equal to n minus 1. Um, and actually, we just need to have the if uh, and also these two indexes they should be in the same index, right? We still need the left index does not equal to 0 because otherwise it is possible the monotonic decreasing is not a correct result as well, right? So let's write code for this. So we're going to have in equals array data length, and we'll have left index equals -1, right index equals -1. What we do is that if n smaller than 3, because this return false. And then what we do is that for int I equals 1, I smaller than n, I plus plus, right? So let's say if array I is smaller equal to array I minus 1, then we're going to have last index equals I minus 1 I and break. So also we search from the right side, int I equals n minus 2, I greater equal to 0, I minus minus. So we'll have if array I is smaller equal to array I plus 1, then we'll have right index equals I plus 1, and then break, right? So what we need in return is um, return index equals right index and next doesn't equal to 0, and right index doesn't equal to minus 1, right? So this will be the code. It will be O(n) time complexity with constant space complexity. So the Python code is very similar. So we'll have n equals length array, and we'll have index equals uh, index, right index equals minus 1, minus 1. Right? So what we do is this, if n is smaller than 3, return false. And then we'll have for I in range from 1 to n, right? So if array I is smaller equal to array I minus 1, we just have L index equals I minus 1, and break, right? And also we have for I in range and -2 to -1, right? So we'll have if array I is small equal to array I plus 1, we are going to have right index equals I plus 1 and a break. So in the end, we just return L index equals right index and L index doesn't equal to 0 and right index doesn't equal to -1, right?